everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now I'm actually looking at my skin and I think my skin is looking amazing today. Last night I used this amazing anti-aging facial cream. It's an homemade facial cream and I use natural ingredient to make this facial cream. I apply it to my skin at night and I wake up this morning and my skin was looking gorgeous. Now I'm going to share this recipe with you. So if you're looking for glowing skin, if you're looking for tight, firm, fresh looking skin, younger looking skin, continue watching the video. Now take a look at our main ingredient. Here I have some purple rice. And purple rice has become very popular when it comes on to skincare. It has been used for centuries for skincare in the Asian world, but the North Americans are now adapting to the purple rice in their high-end skincare products. And there's many reasons for that. The ingredient in purple rice is known for being rich in antioxidants and for promoting youthful appearance. It helps to boost the collagen production in the skin. It helps to firm the skin, tighten the skin, and it will also clear spots and blemishes from the skin, giving your skin a natural glow and a youthful appearance. So what I'm going to be doing with this purple rice, I will be making a purple rice cream. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing with the purple rice, I'm going to be blending a 1/4 cup of the purple rice. Do not add any water to this, just blend as is. Now here we have our blended purple rice, blend to a powder. And this is exactly how you want it to be, purple rice powder. Putting this aside, moving on to our next ingredient. Now our next ingredient is milk, which contain lactic acid. Now the lactic acid in milk helps to reduce pigmentation. It helps to heal dry skin, hydrates the skin. Milk also contains vitamin D. Milk is also rich in B vitamins, alpha hydroxy acid, calcium, and other potent antioxidants that has many benefits for the skin. It nourishes skin cells from deep within the skin and moisturize all day. If you have acne prone skin, it can gently exfoliate the skin. For oily skin, used to draw out excess oil and excess sebum from within the skin pores and tighten those large pores. It also contains vitamin A, which is great for boosting the collagen production, treat dry, flaky, and peeling skin, and is essential for new cell growth. So what I'm going to be doing with the milk, I'm going to actually be warming the milk. Now you can choose to warm your milk in the microwave or you can choose to warm it on the stove top. So here I have a 1/4 cup of hot milk. So now that the milk is hot, I'm going to introduce my next ingredient, which is aloe vera gel. Great for getting rid of spots and blemishes from the skin. Great for hydrating the skin and leaving your skin with a natural glow. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel and I'm pouring this in the hot milk. I'm also reaching for my next ingredient, which is some avocado oil. If you do not have avocado oil, you can choose to use grapeseed oil or even some olive oil. I like avocado oil because it's loaded with vitamin A. It also contains vitamin E. Avocado oil will help to boost the collagen production, firm the skin, tighten the skin, and leave the skin with a natural glow. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the avocado oil. And we're pouring this in the hot milk. And we're going to mix this in. So we're mixing in our milk, hot milk. We're mixing aloe vera gel and avocado oil. And we're blending this well. Pour my hot milk. Slowly pour it in my purple rice. We're making a rice paste. And go back in and pour the rest. We're using all of this up. And we're going to be putting this back in the blender. But we want to give it a push start because we don't want it to get lumpy. So now that we have it all nicely blend out, no lump. What we're gonna do, we're gonna pour this back while it is still hot in the blender. Make sure to get everything out. We're gonna cover and we're gonna blend. Now after blending, take a look at this. Here we have our purple rice cream. We're pouring this in our container. So just pour this out. Nice and creamy. Make sure we get everything out. And this is it, guys. Here you have your purple rice overnight cream. Now this is actually a base. You can choose to add other things to this. Now I'm going to add 2 oils to this, which is optional. I'm going to add some sesame seed oil for anti-aging purposes. I'm adding a half a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. And I'm going to add some vitamin E oil. My vitamin E oil is 28,000 IU. I'm adding the same amount, about a half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Use any 2 of your favorite oil in this recipe and blend this in. You could actually add the oils to the blender when you're blending and just blend it in. And now your overnight purple cream is ready. So I'm going to cover and put in the refrigerator, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to use on your skin for best results. Now here we have the overnight cream, and you really do not need a lot. A little goes a long way. So I'm going to pour some in my hands like this. Take a look at that. And then I'm just going to rub it in my hands like I'm showing here, and then I'm just going to massage it on my skin. Now while you're massaging it on the skin, what is going to happen, it's going to start drying on your skin, and that's exactly how you want it. So apply it on your skin in circular motion. I need a little more. Just massage it on the skin, and it's nighttime. You can be generous with it because it's going to dry on the skin very, very fast. Now before you use this overnight cream, I suggest that you wash your face, you exfoliate your face like you normally do, and then you apply the cream to your face. When you applied it to your face, you want to wait at least 10 to 15 minutes to make sure it's completely dry on the skin. Now after it is dried on the skin, what I like to do, I like to come back and I like to take my hands like this and I just rub off any excess that is on my face. Just rub off any excess in circular motion, and that is it, guys. Look at that. It's totally dry on the skin, totally. And you're gonna know that it's on your skin because you're gonna have this, you know, flint over your skin. And that is it, really. What you do, you go sleep with it, and there's not gonna be any form of a residue left on the pillowcase because it's totally absorbed in the skin. The only way you get residue is if you're a person that sweats a lot. If you sweat in the night, then it's gonna definitely leave residue. Or if you have oily skin, it will leave a bit of a residue. So try to use a separate pillowcase. If you have normal skin, you don't sweat at night, then nothing is gonna be left on your pillow. Alright, upon arising in the morning, just rinse it off. Apply your favorite toner, serum, and moisturizer. And at night again, you go back and you use this on your skin. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video and leave your comment. Those are always important. It helps the channel, and it also let me know how much you are enjoying the video. So comment. And if this was your first time watching, don't leave without subscribing. So click on the word subscribe below and you will be subscribed. Also, if you want to be a member of the channel, there's a join button. Click on the join button, choose the tiers. It's a monthly subscription. We have $1.99 up to $24. So choose, and there's many perks that comes with being a member. So become a member and you won't
regret it. All right, so thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.